My name is Robert. I've been an active life professional since I graduated in May, I think, of 2022. I've been working with active life in general since about 2019. So I was a client first, had some stuff I was working through. I then attended a workshop in person right around the same time, like early 2019. And then I then went and did what was called their immersion program back then, it was an online course for coaches that helped me help clients that I was unable to help. Yeah, so I started coaching. I started as a CrossFit coach in 2011. I got my level 1. I did an internship at the gym I was working at, started coaching, and then I ended up actually buying that gym. And so I ran my own affiliate for about 6 years. I think a lot of it had to do with my own personal experience. So I essentially collapsed on the floor deadlifting. And as I went through the process of kind of like dealing with that, being a client of Active Life, two things came to mind. Number one, I wanted to think how can I help my clients, help this prevent it from happening? And if it ever does happen, how can I help them? Because it was a very emotionally charged time for me. I was angry, I was frustrated. And then even simple stuff like I'm gonna run a personal training session and I'm afraid to pick that up off the floor for them. So that's what I really, really cared about. I had liquidated my gym, COVID happened, and then I went and I wanted to coach again. I didn't want to be a gym owner. And I started doing some research, talked with the Active Life staff about finding a gym that was embodying their principles, what they call ProPath, or they called ProPath. So I found a gym near me, luckily, and I went, very aggressively pursued a job there, got it. And so I was like, this is awesome, but I felt like there was something missing, and I thought that the only way to do that was to find a physical therapist in a clinic that would allow me to shadow them, learn things of that nature. And then they announced that they were starting this program, and something about it told me this is it. This is there's something I've been missing, and this is gonna help me do it, whether it's technical or just knowledge or something like that. So that's how I got there. And when they announced the program, it was a kind of a no-brainer for me at that point. The biggest thing ALP has done has really brought a lot of confidence and clarity to the type of people that I wanna work with, and being able to say no to kind of what I just refer to as ass and abs. There's a million people out there that can do that. But when someone comes to me who's had a joint replacement and they've exited physical therapy, or surgery is not the best option for them and they want somebody to work with them through that, it's what gets me out of bed every day. I have a client, she's in her 60s, and she wants to do a 500-mile pilgrimage through Spain in 2 years. And she has knee pain. So she has a hard time doing things like a simple lunge or a step up. And to have somebody like that come to me with an extremely big, audacious goal and to put their trust into me, it's very humbling. And I'm really inspired to work with this person. Very fortunate enough to be recognized by another ALP who wanted somebody to work for him. So now I do a large amount of my work remotely, which financially has been very gratifying for me, kind of taking me to places that really I honestly only dreamed of 6 months ago.